This YouTube channel is making a huge amount of money by creating simple kids learning video, for example. If we check their channel on Social Blade, they have more than 972K subscribers, and their estimated monthly income ranges from $922 to $14.8 thousand, which is incredible. You can also create similar videos with the help of AI in just a few minutes. First of all, we need a script for our video. To generate the script, we will use Chatgpt for better results. Once on Chatgpt, you're going to ask it for this prompt: give me 20 simple video ideas for a kid's educational faceless channel. And as you can see, it has gone ahead and given us 20 wonderful ideas. Now, once you have your video ideas, the second thing you need to do is come up with the video scripts. Write me a short script for an educational YouTube video titled, "Name the fruits," that would be the title of my video. The video should, and here I said, include basic fruits, naming them, and how to spell them. And then that's target audience is kids. That's how simple it is to use this prompt. Then hit enter. And now, as you can see, Chatgpt has gone ahead and given me a great script that I could use for my video. So whether you decide to use the Chatgpt script, create your own script, or edit this script to fit your needs better, once you have your script, it's time to move on to the next step now for the sake of this tutorial, to make it very easy and digestible. I've gone ahead and created my own script, and as you can see, it's very simple and to the point again. So now the next thing you need to do is create the characters for your animation. We will use Canva to create animated footage for our video. If you are new to Canva, create an account using your email. After creating an account, click on Video and select YouTube Video. So now our video is about fruits. So the first thing I would need to do is get these elements. Now, in order to do this, I would come over to this section where it says Elements. Now, once on Elements, I can go ahead and search for the fruits I want. So the first one is apple, so I do a search for apple. And then click on where it says Graphics. And then you could scroll through all these options and choose whichever apple that you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose the first one that I see. So my other elements were the apple and orange. So I'll do the same exact process to get all my characters. I will go back to elements and I'll search for animated or cartoon legs. Once that is done, I'll select a legs that I like. So I think I'll go with this one. I'll place the legs there since this one looks to be in an opposite direction. So I will crop it, put this one here, then I'll click on Option. And I will duplicate it. I'll place them like that. Great. And now, as you can see, it's in front of the apple. We don't want that. So in order to put it behind the apple, you want to right-click onto it, click Layer, and then just simply click Send Backwards. And now we need to give it some arms. So in the search box, we're just going to search the same thing but arms. So cartoon arms, hit Enter. So we need to give him another arm. In order to do this, you click onto this one, right-click, duplicate. Now we have two arms, but it's a little bit sideways. Don't worry, that's an easy fix. Simply click Flip, Horizontal, and then there you go. We can now adjust it, and then send it behind, and look at this, the apple is already looking way better. And now the last thing we need to do is give him a face. In order to do this, we're going to come to Elements, and then do a search for cartoon face, click Graphics. And then as you can see, there's lots of different faces to choose from. So you just scroll through this and then choose the one you like. And once you find the one you like, you simply click on it, and then you just adjust it to fit onto your character, and that's how easy it is to create your character. So now, as you can see, our first character is done, and now you need to do the same thing for all your other characters. But don't worry, you do not have to go and do this whole process and find all these things again. Unless you want to, you can simply duplicate it. What I mean by that is this. You're going to go ahead and highlight our entire apple, and then you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it. As you can see, we have two of him, and then you're going to put him over your second character. Then you're going to click out of it. Then now you're going to click onto the apple and delete him. And now, as you can see, we're mostly done with our orange. I had my second character done. So this is the process you want to do for all of your characters. Okay, So the last thing that I want to do is to change the color of the leg. So I will select the red color. So I'll come here to colors and I'll select this one and I'll click the other leg and I'll select the color to be red as well. So the same applies to the arms. I'll change the color. Okay, now that we have finished creating this outstanding outlooking character. And now once you have your characters due, it's time to download them. In order to download them, you want to click onto where it says share, and then you're going to click download. And then you don't want to download it as an M4. So you're going to click onto this, and then you're going to scroll up and click PNG, and then you're going to go ahead to hit download. Okay, now that we are done creating our characters, all that we have to do now is bring our characters to life. So for us to animate our characters, we will go to a site called Animated Drawings. Once we are on Animated Drawings, all that we have to do is to come where it says Get Started. Once we are on Get Started, what we simply need to do is to upload our image. So we click on Upload Photo. So once we on this side, if there is any part that has been hidden, we can simply drag these arrows like this, or we can just leave it the way it is since everything has been perfectly selected, so nothing has been cropped out. So we can click on Next, and from there we can come to the site where the character has been highlighted, and it usually highlights everything perfectly. But if there is somewhere you've not seen to be highlighted, you can simply click on the pencil and simply select the part that you want to be highlighted. And if there is any part that has not been selected, or if there is any part which is not supposed to be selected, you can simply use the eraser to and erase that part. So from there, we'll click on Next, and when we come to this side, so this is where you need to make sure that you drag everything properly. Click on Next. Just look at that, very outstanding, very interesting. There are different type of animation from our left here that we can choose from. So starting from dancing, funny animations, jumping and walking. I like this one, which is standing. Can click on it and it will be standing at you like that. So if you like this type of character, what you can simply do is you click on these three dots here and simply download. So you can simply choose all the characters that you want and download them to your PC. Now once you have all your characters and their movements downloaded, it's time to move on to the next step. The next step would be getting the voice for your video. To generate the voices, we're going to be using a text-to-speech AI called 11 Labs. Create the account. Once you're logged in, click on AI text-to-speech and select voice model.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
If you are satisfied with the voice, click on confirm. Otherwise, change the voice model and audition again until you are satisfied. When you are satisfied, click on create new and select AI your script and paste it into the 11 Labs text box. Now click on create new, release again. Go back to doc file and copy the second paragraph and paste into 11 Labs text box. Download all the audio files. This completes our voice generation step. After uploading the animated videos, click on Elements and search for cartoon background. Select a suitable background image in, and then from here you can adjust it to fit your scene better. The editing section. Now go back to the Elements section and add some animated trees to make the video more visually appealing. Search for animated trees, select them and position them in the background image according to your preferences. Additionally, first add in your character, so you're going to come on over to Uploads and then go to Videos and then select the animation that you want. Then you're simply going to click onto it and then you simply adjust the sizing of what you want it to be in your animation. Now, as you can see, we can't just use it like this. It has this white background, so we need to get rid of it. In order to get rid of it, you simply want to click onto where it says Edit Video and then click Background Remover, and Canva automatically removes the background for us. Once you have your video on your scene, you can now go ahead to further crop it and edit it to better fit the background. And now, as you can see, we're mostly done with the first scene, but from here you need to make it more visually appealing. In order to do this, you'd want to add in the text of what your character is actually saving. So in order to add in the text, you want to click on to where it says text. Click on to add a heading. Simply expand the sizing of this. Go back over to your scripts. Copy your scripts. Come back over to Canva. Paste it in. And then once it's in, you want to go ahead to further adjust it to better fit your scene. You could adjust the text font, the sizing, the color that affects the animation you do it, however you feel like looks best. So now, as you can see, our first character is done. In this way, create new pages for every alphabet in fruits. Let's forward this part. Completing the process, download the video. I'll write our character and background. Are ready? Now we will give the final touch with the audio. Upload the voiceover on Canva and then add the audio to your video. Now play the video and adjust the video length according to the scene on your voiceover.
Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? Hi, I am apple. A-P-P-L-E spells apple. Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? Hi, I am orange. O-R-A-N-G-E spells orange. Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? Hi, I am strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y spells strawberry.
All right, friends. I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating a kids learning animation video with AI. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.